Okay, I'm gonna come out and see what I can pick today. I watered this morning. Today is Wednesday, August 30th, 2023, and I'm gonna try to do something different this time. I'm putting my 360 camera on my chest. That way I can edit it and show what I want to show. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I made about 25 minutes video of me picking the vegetables. Well, my 360 didn't save the video. It deleted it. I don't know why. Anyway, hear my pipe pan banging around there. Anyway, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just do a rundown now. Okay, well, what I have here. And I have a little one right here. I got a bigger one right here. Watermelon, see that? I got another one right here. And my big boy, I already turned him around, but he's still hanging right there. And I picked some tomatoes from here. I think they were down here, but I picked some pepperoncinis. Oh, missed this one here. I'm gonna start throwing them down at the bottom there. Maybe the roly-poly attack them and leave my plants alone. That's a suggestion there. Maybe I'm gonna try. Anyway, what I did, I watered this morning, and I figure not pick them before I water, but water first and then pick the fruits. That way I'll get the fruits off the vine before all the water go up in the vines and split my tomatoes. So that's what we're going to try. Now on here, my jalapeno pepper, I do have a lot of buds coming up. I usually get a lot more during autumn than any other time. And here's some more here. There's a bud there. There's a here. Here's one here trying to pop up. And I picked some tomatoes over here on this side. I picked some yellow peppers over here. And got that one little cucumber. Got one back here. That's it for cucumbers, just had it this year. I picked a bunch of cherry tomatoes. I picked grape tomatoes. I need to trim these. Anyway. And we're showing you these Jerusalem, I can't say that word, artichoke. And see, they're gonna have like sunflowers on it. They're not sunflower, but they look like sunflower when they start blooming. The root's supposed to be bitter. I don't know why she planted these. You can see we have the tall one tied back because it was blocking the camera, setting the camera off. So we have to just tie them back. Wrong place to put them. And let's see what else we got here. I picked a couple of beefsteak tomatoes. I'll show you that in a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to pull the tomatoes right after I water or right after a heavy rain. And that way I'll get them off the vine quicker. I had to throw a tomato away or two because it had bugs in it. And these are my our sweet peppers. Oh, I did pick this is a fast rundown. Picked up a nice jalapeno off that plant. Okay, there's our bell peppers. Didn't get much off of that. I picked a bunch of Rutgers and jet tomatoes. Nice size too, slicer size. And there's another watermelon way down there. I don't know if you can see that. Like I said, I'm trying my 360. Last time when I done it earlier, it didn't record nothing. It froze up. didn't save the video. It recorded, but and I got my water pill out here for wild animals. Next week it's supposed to be hot again. It's not bad today. I got a bicycle lock holding that tub so nobody steals it. And that tub there, we bought at a farm store called Buckheights. I think about $5-6. Bicycle lock I had for my bicycle. I used to ride that once in a while. I haven't been lately. I might do it tomorrow. And my pie pans to keep the squirrels away. Not for sure how well that's working yet. And I did pick about 2 strawberries from a strawberry plants. I trimmed them, and that's about it. Oh yeah, these flowers here, they're pretty nice looking. I'm going to clear a path around the mailbox, around the other flowers, and plant a bunch of these around there. I think it would look great. And geraniums there. Show you before that I think the wind blew the seeds over here. We had strong winds one time down in this spot. I got to transplant that. Maybe I'll do it on camera one day. Kind of windy today. And this is my flower pot here. I mean my fountain. Okay, this is what I picked today here. Need some light on here. Pick these. I picked these. Look at that big pepper there. Pick one yellow bunch of pepperoncinis. These we had. I pick a bunch of these. See, I got beef steaks here ready to turn. I picked them before they start splitting, before the bugs hit them. And right here, beef steaks. Pick these. That's a beef steak. There's another beef steak. Well, hope you like what I have. Okay, we've been eating these. These were in the window. These are in the window. They're turning. If you pick them early, you have tomatoes. You just sit where it gets some sunlight. That works for me. Different things work for different people. There's a beef steak there. We'll see how these turn. This one's almost done. So besides all those I put over there, this is the rest of I picked. Strawberries. I just rinse them off, put it in this container here, put them in the fridge, eat them with cereal or shortcake, Twinkie shortcake. And we got tomato galore now. I'm dividing these up. This is what I pull out. This is what I picked 2 days ago. I never done nothing with those yet. Trying to sort these out right now. Okay. That's it. That one's ready. And of course I got to add my fountain at the end of this. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and at least come back once in a while.